The treasure of freedom. The morning sun poured golden light over the park. Green and white flags fluttered on every lamppost, and the air buzzed with the sound of children's laughter. It was Independence Day, and the whole city seemed to be smiling. Iqbal, Johar, Fatima, and Sadia, 4 best friends, had met early to decorate the park's old fountain with ribbons and flags. They loved this day, but none of them knew it would turn into an unforgettable adventure. While tying a ribbon to a bench, Johar's hand brushed against something taped underneath. "Hey, what's this?" he asked, pulling out an old folded paper. Inside was a strange clue. "Begin where the tallest flag touches the sky. The treasure awaits," were the faithful reply. The friends exchanged curious looks. Iqbal grinned. "Sounds like a treasure hunt." "And the tallest flag in the park is the big one by the gate." They ran to the flagpole, its massive green and white banner swaying proudly. Fatima searched the base and found another clue hidden in a small metal box. "From where words of truth are kept and read. Look behind to find what's ahead." Sadia gasped. "That must mean the library." The group hurried to the small park library, where old shelves and dusty books held the city's history. Behind the wall, under a loose brick, they discovered a small wooden box. Its surface was worn, and the lock had rusted. Iqbal carefully pried it open. Inside was a yellowed letter and a faded photograph of a man in a sherwani, standing proudly with a green flag. Fatima began to read aloud. "My dear children, if you are reading this, our land has long been free. I was among those who dreamed of a country where we could pray without fear, where the adhan could echo in the air, where our daughters could wear the hijab with pride, and our sons could bow to Allah without hiding. Remember, the greatest treasure of independence is not gold or land, it is the freedom to live by Islam." They all went silent. The park felt quieter, the wind softer. Johar whispered, "We celebrate every year, but we never thought about this." Sadia nodded. Quaid-e-Azam once said, you are free to go to your mosques or to any other place of worship in this state of Pakistan. That's what we have, and sometimes forget to value." Iqbal added softly, and Allama Iqbal dreamed of youth who would use this freedom to rise in faith and character. Not just for fun, but for purpose. The friends sat in a thoughtful circle, looking at the letter again. Then Fatima stood up, her eyes bright. "Let's make today count. We can still have fun, but let's also help at the mosque, join the community cleanup, and pray together." That afternoon, they not only decorated the park but also served water to visitors, joined the Asr prayer at the mosque, and shared the letter's message with other children. As the evening adhan filled the air, the big green flag above them seemed to wave even more proudly. The real treasure of freedom is the ability to live and worship as Muslims without fear, a gift we must protect and use well. Ya Allah, make us grateful for our freedom, and guide us to use it for your pleasure.